October is here, when all our fears seem a bit more real. These include financial fears. Today, we're talking about loans, or the fear of loans. Why are loans scary? The process is scary, and you're opening up your finances to strangers. If that weren't bad enough, they'll be judging whether or not you're good enough to get a loan. What if you get rejected? Will you be able to apply for a loan again? How will you get the money you need? Will everyone find out your finances are bad? You're going into debt. It's scary to realize you're going to owe thousands of dollars that you'll have to pay back over the course of several months, potentially even years. And what if you can't make payments? Will you be ruined and have to declare bankruptcy? What if you can't make your payment and lose your car or your house? The reality is there's no getting around the fact that getting a loan isn't entirely risk-free. However, loans can have huge benefits and can help you reach your goals that might not be possible with your own money. You can also mitigate the risk of a loan just by planning ahead. Before you apply, look at your finances. Is your credit score good? How much debt do you currently have? Nobody likes realizing that their finances are as good as they'd like, but once you have a clear picture of your finances, you can take steps to improve them. When you see that the boogeyman is just a bunch of junk in your basement, you can start cleaning it out. Pay off any late bills. Make a budget to ensure you can cover your necessary expenses each month. When you have your finances fixed as much as possible, contact the credit union and make sure you know what materials you need to apply, such as proof of identification, proof of your address, income verification. Make sure you have a clear reason for wanting the loan. What is your ultimate purpose? This can make a huge difference at a credit union. If you don't get the loan, no one's going to know but you and the credit union. It won't go on a permanent record. It won't damage your credit. The lending officer won't share your information publicly, so your friends won't know. Getting rejected for a loan isn't the end of the world. It doesn't mean you can never apply for a loan again. It just means you can't get a loan from the credit union at that time. Don't give up hope. Lending advisors can give you advice about how to improve your chances of getting approved for the loan. Face your financial fears with First Alliance Credit Union.